Belize, a nation with a vision, poised to become a regional aviation hub at Philip S. W. Goldson International Airport. Achieving this vision requires the development of skilled personnel. Deep Blue Avionics, in partnership with the STEM-U Foundation and industry partners, can provide the hands-on experience and multidisciplinary training needed to develop a highly capable pool of aviation subject matter experts for Belize and the wider region. With a clear intention to put Central and South Americans back to work while contributing to economic and educational growth, Deep Blue Avionics is working toward establishing an approved aircraft Part 145 repair facility in Belize. The primary objective is to provide safe, reliable services in full compliance with regulatory authorities, including FAA, ESR, and BCA requirements. This facility will offer repair services, minor and major aircraft upgrades, engineering and certification services for Belize-registered aircraft, while also supporting operators worldwide. A critical first step is developing trained personnel for aircraft maintenance and compliance, including senior engineers, designated engineering representatives, and certified airframe and power plant mechanics. Deep Blue Avionics, above all else.